Children, if you remember when I had started this chapter on representation of topographical maps, I had explained the concept of scales, but some of you could not see the video, so I'm just giving a revision of it, and then I'll be discussing the survey, the conventional symbols on which you will be asked some questions on Google form. So a scale is the representation or a relationship between map distance and the ground distance. It is represented by a statement, linear scale, or representative fraction. Now the land is huge, large, and if you have to calculate the area of uh, one city to the other, what is the distance between two towns or cities, then how will you show it on a paper? So first, the geographers, they go on the road with some tape and measuring machines or some instruments, tools they take along with them. They go on the road, they try to take the distance on the ground. Suppose they are taking the distance of in miles, then on paper they will draw it in inches. The reduced form of miles, they will take it as inches. Mostly in India, the distances are written in kilometers, and therefore we our reduced unit is always centimeters. So in the survey maps, you will see that 2 centimeters of the map represents 1 kilometer of the ground. A map. In this survey sheet also you will find a metal road, there are dry streams, there are huts, there are wells, there are back tracks, cart tracks, there are green colored forests, then there are yellow colored agricultural land. So all these represent the topographical map. Now we come straight to the scale. So there are three types of scales which I told you, that the first one is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. This one, it is written on the right hand side of the map like this. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So when you measure the distance between two lines, vertical lines and two horizontal lines, you will always find that it is of 2 centimeter. All the survey sheets will have the one square of length 2 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeters, which represent 1 kilometer and 1 kilometer. Here you can see in one of the blocks I have made, I have written 2 centimeters lengthwise and breadthwise also 2 centimeters. So how much is 2 centimeter of the map representing on the ground? 1 kilometer. That also I have written 1 kilometer. So if you have to find the area of this particular square, then you will be calculating it in kilometers. So 1 into 1 kilometer will be 1 kilometer square. Likewise, we do for all the other uh, grids, and on the basis of this only the topographical map has been made. Now this is a better look, clear look, that 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter and 1 kilometer and 1 kilometer. So this means it is the statement of the map is 2 kilometers, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now we come to the next part of the representation of the scale, that is representative fraction, which is written in 1 is to 50,000. If you notice, there is no unit in it. So how do we infer this number? How can we say that it is a 1 is to 50,000? What unit is it actually of? So it means that 1 centimeter of the map represents 50,000 centimeters of the ground. Therefore, how much will 2 centimeter on the map represent how much on the ground? It will represent 1 lakh on the ground. 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000. So 2 centimeter will be equal to 1 lakh. One thing you must be clear about. Then how do we calculate it? The representative fraction is written as 1:50,000. It is the most convenient way of writing a scale because it does not have a unit. Now this means 1 centimeter of the map is equal to 50,000 centimeters of the ground. Now you will notice that there are no unit is attached with it, therefore it is referred as the most convenient method of scale. Now on the map the statement is 2 centimeters equal to 1 kilometer. RF, meaning the representative fraction, is equal to map distance upon ground distance. Map distance is 2 centimeters, ground distance is 1 kilometer. So we have to write like this formula: map distance upon ground distance. 2 centimeter map distance we have written and 1 kilometer ground distance we have written. But we cannot divide two types of unit. One has to be converted. So we convert 1 kilometers into centimeters. So therefore, when we convert it into the same unit, 2 centimeters will be equal to 1 kilometer, meaning 1 lakh centimeters. Now the units are same. The units are same. So now we can divide 2 centimeters by 1 lakh centimeters. If we divide it, we get 1 upon 50,000. So this is how we get 1:50,000. That is the representative fraction of the map. If you have not understood, I will repeat again in the next class. Now the next one is 500 is known as the linear scale, which is known as which there is a line marked. There are two lines drawn. One of them, the lower one will show in centimeters, the upper one will show in meters. So here it is showing 500 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. That means half a kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 kilometer will be equal to how many centimeters? 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters of the map will represent 1 kilometer. This should be clear to you.